Okay, this is your Central Pennsylvania update for Tuesday the 10th. We have some showers coming through. You can see State College here. This is the map for around 7 o'clock, and it shows, and there's a pretty good area of rain up here towards Williamsport, and a couple of showers down here towards Lancaster, York, and Harrisburg. They'll come through, and you can still see. This takes you to around 10 o'clock tonight. A couple showers still floating around, and a little heavier one up here north of State College and north of almost up here between Bradford and State College. The big news coming across will be, um, you know, currently just the temperatures. You can see they're all in the 40s around 10 o'clock tonight, and you're going to see if you look down towards Harrisburg down here and Lancaster, York, temperatures have climbed into the 50s by 4 o'clock in the morning. You got a lot of warm air trying to push up into this cold air, and you got a front with and rain coming the other way. Now here you go. Here's 7 o'clock. Let's see. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at that line. Here's Harrisburg, upper 50s in York, upper 50s in um, down towards Lancaster here. You got to go up here towards Sunbury and Williamsport where temperatures are in the 40s, and up here temperatures are dropping into the lower 40s, and it's getting quite chilly. And there, this line kind of makes it to here and stops. And this again is around 9 o'clock in the morning. Precipitation at this point in time, you can see there's some heavier showers, and they've been coming through, and that has a lot to do with our temperatures. Now, again, you got this start, the warm air is coming up, and you can see it right here with the heavier rains, where it clashes with the colder air, and then you can see you can see it heavier showers, even some thunderstorms with these darker reds that are out here. This is around 6 o'clock in the morning, and then as we go through the daytime hours, you can see those thunderstorms and heavier rain, central PA. They're kind of all over. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning. 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see them. They line up in pretty much a line right here by 12 o'clock. And they're east of Harrisburg, but they're heading towards Lancaster and Lebanon that way. And then you'll see we get out to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and now you can start to see it changing over to snow out here in western PA, and then that's going to come across the state late in the afternoon. This is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, raining pretty good out here towards Harrisburg and down towards York, and then it's just changing over to snow out here by State College, and it's working its way east. Here's 6 o'clock, and it's changed over at State College up here towards Towanda, Wellsboro. It's starting to change over down here, and then we just keep this moving as we move this out. Here's 8 o'clock in the evening, and it's changed over now. You won't get any. None of this is really going to stick down south there. You'll see the changeover, but really none of it's going to stick. And this is around 9 o'clock, and you can see the back side of it going, and then that takes you to around 1 o'clock in the morning. Total snow accumulation again, basically to the north. See, higher elevations get it to the north. You can still see there's a couple of tents down here. So as it changes over, if you're up early enough or late up tomorrow night and look out your window, you might see the ground with a slushy coating of snow on it down here by Harrisburg and Lebanon and down there. But you got to go up north before you get 1, 2 inches. These blues are 2 and 3 inches of snow. So that's what's going on. And it's going to be quite windy through this period, through the central part of the state. There'll be wind gusts at 30 mile an hour. So some of those thunderstorms will have some gusty winds associated with them as they come through. All right, take it easy. I'll be back on these little mini forecast ones. I'll be back on, let's see, tomorrow. I'll be back on Thursday afternoon. And if you're on it for free, know that it's going to go back to only members only tomorrow night around 6 o'clock. So just keep that in mind.